What is up, everybody? Happy 4th of July. We got superhost status today. Again, for the third time. I am at Lowe's because I have to pick some stuff up. I got a portable air conditioner for the tent because people said it was too hot in the tent, even though it's a tent. But I got a portable air conditioner, hooks up to the generator. I still have to build a box around the generator because it's loud when the generator is on, but it works. The only thing is the exhaust port for the portable AC is much larger than the stove jack port in the tent. So I gotta find like something to reduce it down so that it'll fit through the hole that's already in the tent. I mean, you can just exhaust it out the front doors and just zip around it, but I would like to have it a little bit more semi-permanent. So I'm gonna run into Lowe's and see what I can find and then head to the glam site. I think I got what I needed. It's hot out here. Hot. Check out my hat. I got the Three Rivers Land Trust hat on. They help protect wilderness and make it available to the general public through trusts and things like that. That's the name. But we donated a 2-night stay to their fundraiser coming up shortly, and they came out to check this place out and gave me a hat. I appreciate it. Gotta make one more stop. I forgot that I was gonna organize all the cords, and I had some Ziploc bags and a magic marker, permanent marker. It got left at home. So stop here at Ingles and see what they have. Hopefully they have markers. Pretty sure they have Ziploc bags. That way I can organize all the cords, and so all the guests know what cord goes to what piece of equipment. Even though it's not that hard to figure out, I'm just gonna make it even easier. So, random stuff that I find at the glam site. I found on this little hook right here, this is actually for your dog leash, and I found like 3 dog leashes left on here from people bringing their dogs and they just leave the leash. Oh no. Some left a gas can, so I guess I got a free gas can. We brought these little chairs out here for kids, so because we have kids, and I figure if other people have kids, I still need to install that wind turbine electrical generator. I really do. I just keep forgetting to buy the post to do it with because, well, the post is kind of expensive. But I digress. Let's get this AC set up. All right, so here is a video of how to use the generator, because I've had people come out here and say that it was too complicated. Let me show you. First, what you want to do, turn this valve to open this way. Then what you want to do is make sure that the fuel right here is turned on. Then what you want to do is turn on the choke, and then press this little button right here, that switch right there. After you get all that done, you just grab this, that's how press the generator. Turn it off. You can either turn the fuel off here, you can flip the button there, or you can turn the gas off here. That easy. Alright, I got this hooked up. It's blowing nice ice cold air into the tent right now. It's pretty high quality. This is Toshiba. Still new, I hadn't even taken the wrapper off of it. But you see I have the duct taped up to the dryer hose duct that's going up the stove jack, because that is way bigger than the stove jack was. And actually a dryer duct is a little bit smaller than the stove jack. is. But anywho, I got it out here. It is right there. I don't really like that I have it taped, but it is what it is. I did bring some water up here because it has been really dry like the last couple of weeks, last 3 weeks actually, and we haven't had any rain, and it's been in the 90s. So I brought a couple gallons for the rainwater tank. It is about a third full right now. And we are all set for the next guest. I'm just gonna organize the cords that are in the drawer. I got some Ziploc bags and a marker so that we can organize all the cords. And then I did get a wind chime, and I put a wind chime down there at the fire deck, which you can't really see from here, but it's a pretty little wind chime. And yeah, we're ready for the next guest to come. They'll actually be here today by like 2 o'clock. I'm gonna take the leaf blower and get ready. So I got the AC installed, and I labeled all of the cords and put them all in baggies. I even, made a video on how to use the generator because people said it was difficult, but it's not. Anyways, look how beautiful it is out here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I have some people coming by today, staying for the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. And then I got some people coming by this weekend too. 4th of July weekend fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. I know I don't upload on a regular cadence anymore because I'm not really building the glam site. I'm just now operating it. Look at that. It's great. It's awesome. I wish I could get my solar panels in the sunlight more of the time. I'll have to build a thing right there or over there. The edge of the woods, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, the generator works fine when the solar cells aren't charging. To charge EcoFlow, if I ever did want to run the AC off of a battery pack, I would need a much bigger EcoFlow, like the not the River series, but like the Pro series. And those are like $1,000, which is kind of expensive, but we're off grid, so everything's expensive.